Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I want to show you how to draw some French toast. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our French toast, we are going to begin with the bread. So I'm going to start right here, and we just want to make a line that's going to curve up, and then it's going to come down here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve up, and we're just going to bring it back down. Starting here, we're going to make a line that comes down, and another line that comes down here. Then we're just going to make a little line that comes across here to connect the bottom of our bread. Now, starting up here, we're just going to draw a line that comes down at an angle. I'm going to curve this in a little bit. We're going to come down here, and then just connect it right there. Now, starting up here, we want to make the face. We're going to make some little eyes on here. So I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to make a circle for an eye. We'll leave some space, and then we'll make another circle for an eye over here. I'm going to add a little circle at the top, and then I'm just going to color it in. Do the same thing on this side. Now, starting up here, we want to make a little beret. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to curve up and down. Then I'm going to make another line that's going to go up and down to here. Then I'm going to put a little bump in there for the top of the beret. Now, right here, I want to make a little mustache on here. So I'm going to begin by drawing a little line that's just going to go down, and I'm going to curve up. And then we'll do the same thing. I'm going to go down, and then I'm going to curl it up. I'm going to make this line come down and up, and then we're just going to go down and then connect it to here. Then starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down and up with a little curved line for the mouth. Then I'm going to add a little tiny upside down triangle shape for a little goatee. Next, I'm going to add some eyebrows. And then right here, I want to make the little French flag. So to do this, I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to go up. It's going to go over and down for a long, skinny rectangle. Make a little circle shape at the top. Then I'm going to make a little wavy line that goes down. Line that comes down, and then we'll make that same little wavy line shape back here. And then I'm just going to make two little lines on here for the flag. And there you go. There is your drawing of some French toast. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.